Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The newest addition to Apple's lineup of high-end cell phones is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Although it's young, the iPhone already has a wide range of accessories that you can purchase to enhance your iPhone experience. The majority of them utilize the MagSafe charging capabilities of your iPhone, while others offer extra phone accessories or weatherproof protection. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories, so let's get started. 8. Powerbeats Pro Wireless Earbuds. The best sports earphones for your iPhone 14 Pro Max or other iPhone devices are thought to be the Beats Powerbeats Pro Truly Wireless. They are ideal for people who lead active lifestyles because the ear hook design makes sure they are always in place. Additionally, they are incredibly comfy to use. This device's battery can run continuously for more than 11 hours on a single charge. They also provide a pretty neutral sound profile, which adds to their impressive list of attributes. 7. Backbone One Gaming Controller. If you play mobile games frequently, Apple Arcade is a good option if you want to have access to great games, with zero ads. You'll wonder how you ever played mobile games without it when you pair it with the Backbone One 8/10 Wired Recommends controller. The control scheme is simple to use, enjoyable, and comfortable, and it works with a respectable number of games. You can even use it to remotely play Xbox and PlayStation games. Is there a headphone jack added? You'll probably need to remove your case every time you use the adapter, which is included in the box and fits the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. 6. OtterBox Symmetry Antimicrobial Case. These past several years, OtterBox's Symmetry Plus line has gradually won me over. It's protecting without being burdensome. The display's raised borders are taller than those of many other straightforward cases, and the polycarbonate and synthetic rubber combination feels sturdy. Additionally, it contains more than 50% recycled plastic. The mute switch is reachable, the buttons feel good to push, and the MagSafe connection is reliable. It accomplishes all of this without adding a lot of weight, and the tennis ball green finish adds style. This case, according to OtterBox, includes antimicrobial protection to shield the exterior from typical microorganisms. Put little faith in this because there is little evidence that antimicrobial coatings significantly improve health protection. Wash your hands only. 5. Shure MV88 Portable iOS Microphone. A handheld microphone that is compatible with iOS is the Shure MV88, $149.99. The MV88 is a compact, reasonably priced mic that offers a lot of patterns and the option to record as a stereo or cardioid mono mic. The Shure Plus Motive app ups the ante by providing you total control over DSP in addition to the patterns, digital signal processing. In the appropriate hands, the MV88 can record some incredible sounds, including public rock concerts, string quartet performances in cramped spaces, Foley, song vocals, and interviews for news articles or podcasts. The program offers a clear recording platform that makes the procedure simpler, and the mic is capable and fairly priced. 4. YESTAN Wireless Charging Station. YESTAN's 4-in-1 setup is straightforward and efficient. Any surface, such a desk, nightstand, or other piece of furniture, can serve as a charging station. All of your equipment can be kept in one location so you can check on their charging. Knowing that everything is charged before going to bed is vital because I always charge my electronics overnight. My workstation was a mess of wires, phones, watches, and earphones, so I used to wake up to a dead phone. Yes, Direct has received over 100 reviews with an average rating of 4.81 stars, indicating that most customers are satisfied with the products they bought from this business. 3. SPIGEN Protector, GLASTR Easy Fit. The Glass TRX Fit series has a $15 price tag that includes 2 guards. It can be rapidly installed with the help of the installation tray. The SPIGEN Glass TR Easy Fit Screen Protector package comes with 2 Steinhall glass TR Easy Fit screen protectors, cleaner, a manual, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth. The screen protector contains an oleophobic coating to repel grease and fingerprints and a surface hardness of 9H. The glass TR Glass is designed to fit phones while still allowing space for whatever case you might want to use. 2. ANKER Wireless Charger. One of the most reputable brands in the charging market, ANKER, is making a terrific offer with this deal. The Power Wave Pad is a straightforward disc-shaped pad with a soft touch matte surface for greater grip on top and bottom, preventing your phone from falling off or the pad from swaying on the table. It has a small, bright, energy-saving LED on top to show that everything is in working order, and it is small, light, and energy efficient. A blue light that flashes means there is a metal barrier nearby. In contrast, a continuous blue light denotes that everything is well, while a flashing green light indicates the existence of an unsuitable connection or adapter. One of the swiftest models is the Power Wave Pad, which supports up to 10 watts wireless charging with compatible devices. 1:SPIGEN Rugged Armor. The polish is robust. The MagFit iPhone 14 Pro Max case celebrates 10 years of offering protection with a brand new design. In addition to its stylish carbon fiber trim, this vehicle has multi-layer bumper protection on all four corners. This product is compatible with MagSafe. It has the ability to resist a blow. There is a remarkable thinness to the protective layer. This product is made out of TPU, a durable, robust, and flexible material. Thanks to its glossy carbon fiber coating, Rugged Armor features a lovely carbon texture. It does not obstruct external connections despite being completely functional and preventing drops and scratches. Its contemporary design makes Rugged Armor stand out. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.